Welcome to Casual Tech channel. In this video, we are going to unbox the Redmi Note 7. At the back of the box stated that this is 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual camera phone. The processor is octa-core Snapdragon 660. The battery capacity remains same as 4000 mAh. The color is fantasy blue and it has 6GB RAM and 46GB storage. This is a China version. It has 18 months warranty from Xiaomi. But I bought this in Malaysia and only has 1 year warranty from the seller. Now let's unbox it and let's see what's inside the box. As usual, it's come with a transparent TPU soft case. It's very soft and do provide basic protection. And then we can see a quick start manual and warranty card. And now, this is a fantasy blue Redmi Note 7. Depending on the light source, I can see the color on the top is somewhat purplish and gradually change to light blue as we move down below. Let's get back to the box and let's see what else is inside the box. Here we have the USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable. This is a good news. Redmi Note series has moved to USB Type-C. And then we have the power adapter with the output of 5V and 2A. Xiaomi said that Redmi Note 7 support Quick Charge 4.0. Unfortunately, it only comes with the QC 1.0 power adapter. What the f? So I guess lots of you will have to spend more to get another power adapter that supports QC 4.0. And also, there is a card slot pin hidden behind this little box. Like they don't want you to know that it does come with the box. And now, let's peel off the sticker on top of the screen. Xiaomi stated on their website that both front and back of the phone are sported Gorilla Glass 5. Unlike all the previous generations of Redmi Note series that are either plastic or partially metal, now there are both Gorilla Glass 5 at the front and the back of the phone. Redmi Note 7 comes with a 6.3-inch LCD screen with the resolution of 1080 x 2340 pixels. There is a 13 megapixel front camera, and on top of it we can see a very thin speaker hidden on the bezel. The bezel size is pretty thin on left, right and top of the phone. But as we move to the bottom, we can't not notice a very thick bezel at the bottom of the screen. It is so good to see both infrared blaster and 3.5mm earphone jack being retained on Redmi Note 7, and right next to them is a microphone for noise cancellation. The volume buttons and power button remains on the right side of the phone. At the bottom, there is a primary microphone, USB Type-C port and Smart PA loudspeaker. All these ports are designed with an extra layer that anti-splash. But there is no IP rating, so do not bring this phone underwater. And on the right is the hybrid SIM card memory card slot. You still have to choose in between memory card and second SIM card, even though this phone sports with 48 megapixel rear camera, which will definitely taking up a lot of your storage space. Let's take a closer look at the edge of the phone. We can see the glass is actually exposed on top of the body frame, which I think the glass can be broken easily if you drop your phone. Meanwhile, the glass on the back is attached in the body frame. At the back is the dual camera with the design that looks like Huawei P20. The primary camera is 48 megapixel with f1.8 and secondary camera is 5 megapixel with f2.4. The secondary camera is purely for depth sensor, it doesn't serve as telezoom camera. As we can see, the cameras are protruded quite a lot from the body. The fingerprint sensor remains at the same location and the Mi logo has been replaced with Redmi logo, as Redmi is now officially a standalone brand under Xiaomi company instead under Mi branding. That's it for the Redmi Note 7 unboxing video. If you do like to know more about the battery performance, the camera performance, do subscribe to Casual Tech channel. That's it for this episode, and I will see you in the next.